Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. It is BoxyCharm box time, you guys, and I am in receipt of my premium box for the month of August, so let's get into unboxing these items. The first item we're going to talk about is from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the Signature Palette Symphony, and I was super excited to get this in my BoxyCharm box. I kind of eyeballed what the spoilers were for the month of August, and I saw that this palette was listed as one of the spoilers, so I was hoping that it would be in my box. Unfortunately, I got it. So let's see. This is what this looks like. Your standard Ofra type of packaging here, and I would like to mention that I did use this palette to create this gorgeous eye look today, so you guys will see this eye look in detail in the demo portion of this video. But the info card states the Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette Symphony. Give them pitch perfect eye looks with this palette of melodic mauves and warm shimmers. Featuring and inspired by Ofra's blissful highlighter, these harmonious shades never miss a beat in this easy to carry compact with mirror. So this is a nice compact eyeshadow palette. It does come with a mirror, as you can see. I like it when my makeup products are travel friendly. It just makes it really easy, and I think that this palette is definitely one. The shades are gorgeous. Love the shades. I did encounter a little bit of kick up in the pan when using these shadows. However, for me, my personal experience, kick up in the pan can be caused by various things. It could be the brush that you're using. It could be the technique that you're using to get the eyeshadow on the brush itself. So, you know, it's not a deal breaker for me. It wasn't bad. And again, this look turned out so beautiful, honey. It was worth any kick up in the pan that you could possibly get. But yeah, this was really nice. But this is, again, the Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette Symphony, and the retail cost is $34. This next item is from Kat Berkey, and it's the Nutrient C Eye Cream. This is a new brand for me. I've never heard of Kat Berkey before. So let's see what this looks like. This is the actual container here. And you guys know that I like under eye or eye products. That's one of my problem areas. So anytime that I can have a product that's going to help me with the challenges that I have in my under eye area, I'm all for that. But the info card states a rich, nourishing eye cream with vitamin C specifically designed for the delicate eye area. This instant reviver is made with a combination of radiance enhancers. Stay C, that's stay and then the letter C, is a stable form of vitamin C which brightens the eye area. Grapeseed and evening primrose oils delivers antioxidant protection, and vitamin E and caffeine help nourish and depuff. Kat's proprietary nutrient-dense KB5 complex, rich in nutrients, is added to defend against environmental damage, and the retail cost is $90. So this, based upon the price point that's listed here on the info card, is definitely a high-end eye cream. Take a little pump here. This is what it looks like. It looks lotiony in my opinion. And the spread out, or to smooth this around here on my skin, it actually feels like a lotion. It has a little bit of a lemony or citrus type of fragrance to it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to using this. This next item is from Lawless Beauty, and this is the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. And let's see, I've never heard of Lawless Beauty, so this also is going to be a new brand for me. And it looks like this product is in a shade called Rosy Outlook. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it is, it's called Rosy Outlook. And this is what it looks like. The info card states, a clinically proven lip plumping treatment and ultra shiny gloss with immediate and long-term plumping, softening, and hydrating benefits in a universally flattering sheer baby pink shade. Immediately lines are filled and the lip surface is smooth. With consistent use, lips are proven to increase their volume and plumpness with fewer lip lines. and the retail cost is $25. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of gooey in there. But let's see, does it have a fragrance? Kind of has a soft berry type of fragrance. Very interesting. This is from Lawless Beauty, and this is a filler lip plumping lip gloss, and the retail cost is $25. The next item is from Playa, and this is the Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So this is a hair product, and I don't mind getting hair products in my BoxyCharm boxes from time to time. So the info card states that this is an ultra light yet deep conditioning treatment formulated for chemically treated, dry, frizzy, or environmentally damaged hair. Tahitian Monoi oil penetrates the hair shaft, taming frizz and healing damage. Coconut milk deep conditions, promoting strength, shine, and softness. Used on wet or dry hair, it detangles and seals the hair cuticles to lock in moisture, restore luster, and diminish frizz. And the retail cost for the Playa Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner is $24. So this is a spray, and you can see the little spray pump there at the top. So this will be good to try out. Like I said, I don't mind getting hair products in my BoxyCharm box from time to time, so it'll be good to try it out. This next item is from Alpha H, and this is the Balancing Cleanser with Aloe Vera. This does have a safety seal on it, so I won't be able to tell you if this has a fragrance to it or not, but the info card states that this is a creamy multitasking cleanser made with luxurious vitamin E and aloe vera. This gentle non-stripping formula corrects the skin's natural pH balance, preparing the skin for optimal ingredient absorption. So this sounds really interesting. I am always happy to receive a cleanser in my BoxyCharm box. Alpha H is a new brand to BoxyCharm. So yeah, I'm super glad to have this, and the retail cost is $36. And the last item we're going to talk about that came in my premium box for the month of August is from Pop Mask, and it's the Sleepover Rose Scented Self-Warming Sleep Mask. It's a 5-pack. Looks like this would go over your eyes. It looks very, very interesting. Let's see here. Can I open this without tearing up the box? I can't open this without fully tearing up the box, but it looks like it's just a simple eye mask, right? But the info card states, the sleepover. Always fun and forever beloved. Bring a night of friendship and laughter to a peaceful close with a rose-scented sleepover mask. This mask is your calm in a pouch, giving you some well-earned relaxation time. The warming relaxation mask will soothe your tired eyes and allow you to lie back, relax, doze, daydream, meditate, or just unplug from life. So that's really interesting. This is warming. So I take it that you would put this on your eyes. It would be like a little eye mask. You would put it on your eyes, and there would be a warming sensation. And that warming sensation is going to help you to relax. Is that right? Okay. Very interesting. It's saying that this is unisex, so this can be for male or female. This rose scent, though, is kind of what's throwing me for a male. I know the males in my life would not go for the rose scent. This says that this mask helps to relieve migraines, tension headaches, dry eyes, and sleep problems. So it's got quite a few hefty claims there. But yeah, so this is from Pop Mask, and the retail cost is $20. So as usual, I've totaled up the cost of all the items that came in my August premium box from BoxyCharm, and the total cost is $229. You guys know that I pay substantially less than $229 for my monthly premium BoxyCharm subscription, so it is definitely a good deal in my opinion. So now that I've shown you guys all the items that came in my premium box, let's get into the demo portion of this video. My brows are done and my eyelids have been prepped. I use my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I am going to go into the Ofra palette here. This is the Ofra Symphony palette, and I'm going to start off using this shade right here. I'm going to use this as my transition shade, and this shade is called Charm. So I'll just use this as my transition. I was really excited about getting or the possibility of getting this Ofra eyeshadow palette in my BoxyCharm box, so I'm so glad that my variation included it. I haven't added a brow bone highlight just yet. You know what? I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to go ahead and add the brow bone highlight. I like doing that before I add any of the other shadows. I just forgot to do that this time. And I'm going to use this shade for my brow bone highlight. This shade is called Blissful. So I'm just going to add just a little bit at the highest part, the highest point of my brow here. Got that done. Now going back to my transition shade here. This is Charm. And I am getting a little bit of kick up in the pan, if you can see that, just a little bit that's showing up there, but we'll keep going. I'm now going to use this shade. This shade is called Godiva, and I'm going to place this on the outer part of my eye and sweep it into the crease. I'm going to go back to my original brush that I used that has the shade Charm on it. Charm is this shade right here. That's my transition. I'm just going to do a little bit more blending towards the top here just to soften a little bit. But these are layering very nicely on top of each other. Very, very pretty. I'm now going to use this shade. This shade is called Tempo, and I am going to place this on the outer part of my lid here. I didn't carve anything out today. I'm just going to put this on towards the outer area here. This is really pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty shadows. And they're really soft to the touch. So when I swatched these shadows, they were really soft, kind of creamy almost to the touch, but they're not necessarily going on creamy, and I am getting some kick up here in the pan for these shades. You can see that. And now I'm going to use this shade. This shade is called Sublime, and I'm going to place this in the area right closest to the inner corner of my eye. I've also switched up my brush. I'm not using a fluffy brush. I'm using my MAC 242. Very pretty. I'm going to go back into Godiva again. That's the darker shade in this palette. And I am going to use a smaller blending brush. You guys know how I do this. And I'm going to add just a little bit more definition in the area where I've had to manipulate my natural crease line. I'm going to add my liner and my lashes. I'm going to finish off my complexion, and I'll be right back. My complexion is done, and I'm going to add the finishing touches into this eye look. And I think for smoking out my waterline, I am going to primarily focus on these two shades right here. And this look is done. As you guys know, BoxyCharm is a good way to try out new products from brands that you've heard of, and maybe even some brands that you have not heard of. So I'm going to leave a referral link below. If you're interested in signing up for BoxyCharm, feel free to use that link, or you can go to www.boxycharm.com. You can sign up there and you can start receiving your own box. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.